Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this today tutorial, we will get to know about the and, or, and not formulas of Excel. So let's to know one by one where we can use these formulas and how. So first of all, here is the values on which we will test these formulas. So first of all, let's we can perform a logical test here. Just enter and formula, select the value, and here there is a logical 1, logical 2 means where we can apply as many logic as we want. So we want value in this column greater than 20, greater than 20, or you can say that greater than 50. Let's check it out and hit enter. We are using AND formula, or we are get to know about the values comparing this value in this cell greater than 50. If it's greater than 50, then I want it true, and if it's not, then I want it false. So hit enter. So it's not greater than 50, so it's so false. So let's drag it down. This is also false, this is true, because b5 this one is greater than 50. Likewise this is not, this is not, this is. But if sometimes we need a we need values which is in between, like I want the value between, you can say, 40 and 60. Then how we can achieve that? So for that we have to perform two logical tests. So here enter and select the value. If b3 is greater than 40, next is b3 is less than 60, then I want it true. Okay, hit enter. So it is not like that, it is not between the 40 and 60, so it's showing false. And likewise if I drag it down, it's so all values false. Then why it's looked? Okay, I selected it, selected here 6. It is not 6, it is actually 60. I mistyped it. So just 60 and hit enter. Drag it down, refill it. It's become true because 45, 56, 45, 45, 56, these are values which are between 40 and 60. So here we can perform a number of logical text and test with the help of AND functions. And what about the or function means we can get at a time two value. So let's use it. Type or logic 1, f3 is greater than, I want two type of value. F3 is greater than 30. If this is not, then what? F3 is greater than. So no, I will use a different one. F3 is greater than, you can say that 50. And if it's not, I also want F3 is greater than, sorry, F3 is greater than, you can say that 40. I want two values which are greater than 50 and greater than 40. Or you can say that I want only just two value. If f3 is greater than, less than 30, then I want value. If it's or f3 is greater than, you can say that 60, means in between value between 30 and 60 I do not want. So let's click enter. So it's showing true because it's less than 30, means the value which are between 30 and 60 it will have to show it as false. Drag it down. So it's showing false the value which are between 30 and 60. It's performing like that. And apart from that, there is another function note. Note means it will show reciprocal of this value, the condition we entered. So let's check it out. Note this, if I am entering here this is greater than 30, and if it's true then it should have to show it a false. Hit enter. Is it greater than 30? It's not. That's why it's showing true, because we are using not function. Drag it down. And if you want to use it at true, just change it little bit about 50 and hit enter. Drag it down because some results are between 50 60, and so it's showing true. It's is 45 greater than 50? No, that's why it's showing true, because we are using not function. And if I use again not, then it will show over the real logic what we want. Hit enter. Okay, accept it. Everything gets changed. Is J3 greater than 50? No. That's why it's showing false. Is greater than 50? No, no, like that. In this way, we can use and or not functions, and most of the times these function we use in our nested, if nested functions, because there we want some value in a logical way, and if that is true, then we want result, otherwise not. So this is all about or and not function. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.